I didn't notice you there. I'm so sorry. So let's talk about review. Isn't review lovely? So what I've done is I've created the 2-week AP review calendar just for you. Well, no, but for you also, but not that guy. Okay, it's for you too. Everybody. So here I want to just walk you through it. So there's no work here. I just want to walk you through this thing. The first thing you'll notice is way over here on the left, I have something that I call the lecture of the year that we would have gone over in class, but we're not going to. So the lecture of the year is linked here. See it there? Now I'm not going to click on the link right now, but you could. So when I refer to the LOTY, lecture of the year, page 1 through 22, this refers to that document every time. And here's what it looks like. It's pretty simple. Well, you know what it is? It's every lecture we've done all year long. So like every lecture all year long, I'm not kidding. The document was like well over 200 pages before I cut some stuff out. So, so it's kind of a lot. Here is what it is. So some of the stuff has been taken out because it's from the earlier course. Some of the stuff has been taken out at great cost to my heart. I love the 20th century. Adios, 20th century. But here's where we go. From the birth of Islam to the scramble for Africa, it is every lecture outline of the whole year. And so we start with the birth of Islam. And we go all the way through Ghana, Trans-Saharan trades, Song, Tang, Sway, all sorts of loveliness. So that is the lecture outline, and that will be referred to repeatedly. I think it's a nice thing to sort of go back to, and it'll kind of like jog your memory. If you're looking through your notes that you took, you'll be able to look back at there and say, ah, yes, I remember that. So those pages where that is relevant, it will be right here. And then you just come to that lecture of the year, you click on that, and away you go. So then each day you're going to have some review to do. Now, do you absolutely 100% have to do this review? No, it's entirely up to you. Almost none of this stuff is graded assignments. Does that make sense? This is for you. This is because I know you want to do well. I know some days you wake up and you're like, I don't have history today. What am I going to do? This is terrible. I miss history. Mystery. So here you go. I'm going to give you something to review every day. So we start with 2 days on Unit 1, then 2 days on Unit 2. We're just going to move through. With each one, we're going to deal with a little bit of document analysis. With each one, we're going to deal with a little bit of the sort of the issues related to the test. So here, the first one today, we looked at different ways of going through and thinking about point of view and all that lovely stuff. So we have a review video on here. You will notice it is linked. It's YouTube, just like this. Then here's another review video. It's a YouTube, but it's not mine. It's a part of the Heimler's history guy. Guy's fabulous. And then we have some of this review here. So even on days when we're writing DBQs, as we have been, and those have been so amazing, you guys are getting great. They're just really improving. It's super impressive. Even on those days, there will be a review lesson. So let's say it's like 10:30 at night. You're all Netflixed out and Fortnited out, and you know you've knitted all you can knit for the day. You come onto here. You watch tomorrow a review video on the Americas. Another review video. Maybe I'll throw some up here from the College Board ones that they're doing. You look at a little bit of the lecture year, and then you'd sleep all night and have lovely dreams about history. That would be so lovely and scary. But there is our 2-week AP review calendar. Love it, live it, do whatever you want with it. But I think it's helpful to start thinking in terms of a 2-week approach to review and to really honing in our vision on that use of sources to argue your point. So that's what we're going to do. I hope you're doing well. Bye.